Look at him.
Now then, children, let's not make a fuss.
Look at him.
Are you really sure he's one of us?
Family likeness isn't strong, still you won't poke fun. All of you must get along. He's a special son. Now come along, all of you, follow me. Now stay close to me at all times, or you may get trodden on. And beware of the cat.
Look at him. Legs are bendy and the knees are not. Look at him. Dad was obviously a chest act. But the neighbors scream and howl when they see our brood. He's a bellest waterfowl.
Why are you so rude?
Ooh, touchy. Hello, Maureen.
Hello, Ida. Hello, Drake. What a splendid brood. Did the big egg hatch out all right? Look at him. Come on, Ida, tell me what went wrong. Look at him. Did you leave him in the egg too long?
I admire you for your pluck, strictly untrue. He may be no pin-up duck, neither, dear, are you.
Well, I must be going. I heard the children from the farmhouse are throwing French bread into the water. It sounds très chic. I don't want to miss out.
Look at you, look at me, what's it matter?
Isn't it obvious?
Why do I make you all laugh and scoff?
Have you seen your reflection?
Why don't we play with the fishes?
Because you scare them off.
Look at him, you admit he is a bit extreme.
Our parents will start quickly.
Look at him, just a variation on a theme.
The ugly sibling.
I don't want to see my son left out on a limb. Why is it that everyone has to cheer?
There's your answer, dear.
Look at him.
Peck, 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 but I mean now really peck the duck. Peck, peck looks a little bit silly. Look at him, what? Did you ever see a pig with wings? Look at him, what? Don't genetics do the strangest things? Though the thought may not appeal, break the ties that bind. If you gave the cat a meal, nobody would mind.
Everyone, get ready for the photograph. Look at him. He is an ugly one, there is no doubt. Gobble, 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 gobble. Look at him. Does he have his giblets inside out? Gobble, 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 gobble. What else would explain his looks being quite so rough? How on earth will gourmet cooks know which end to stuff?
Look at him, look at us, see the difference. Look at him, look at us, where's the man?
Sometimes we find it is kinder
If some eggs never hatch.
In a moment, you will be presented to her grace, the most distinguished duck on the lake. She was once paired with a mandarin, and as you will notice, she wears a red ring around her finger. That is the greatest distinction a duck can enjoy. It means she is looked up at by both man and animal.
Come along, kids. Now don't turn your toes in, bow your heads politely, and say quack.
Photograph.
Just imagine how he's feeling.
Look at him. Mother Nature must have had a laugh.
In a way, he's quite appealing.
Look at him, na 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 na. A relation one should step. Look at him,
Look at him.
na 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 na. He is gawky in one.